Hello parents, guardians, and students. For those who don't know me, my name is Ms. Passno, and I am the teacher in the ITSP program. ITSP stands for Intensive Therapeutic Support Program. In this program, I have 3 wonderful teaching assistants, Amy Lobdell, Joanne Beaudry, and Andrea Denton, and our fabulous counselor, Kim Denton. ITSP focuses on the social emotional growth of our students, as well as their academics. We focus on restorative justice, Regents curriculum, and CDOS credentials. We are very fortunate to work with BHSN and have adventure-based counseling every Thursday. Once a month, we go into the community and go on hikes or kayaking. We do a lot of team building activities, which helps to build and maintain relationships, ensure personal growth, build upon our communication skills, and encourage perseverance in challenging situations. Staff instills these skills every morning as well, as we have circle up or morning meeting. The support we receive from our students and families assists in making this program successful. It is greatly appreciated. If you have any questions, please call or email me. Thank you.